Okay, welcome to ESL class. Today we will discuss about nature. You may take your student book and then open page 12. Okay, you can see the picture here. So what can you see in the nature? We can see some animals here. We can see a lot of flowers and the trees and also pond, and also we have the sun here. These are mushrooms and these are some insects. Okay, so here how many suns can you see here? So how many suns are there? Okay, only one. So the answer, there is one sun. Okay, and how many birds? Yeah, how many birds? How many birds are there? How many birds are there? More than one. So we answer there are two birds. Okay, so the focus is singular and plural. If you just see one thing, you answer there is one. But if you see more than one, you can say there are, for example, two birds here. Okay friends, you may try this exercise.